Verdure House, nestled on a tranquil Bandung street, tells a story of harmonious coexistence between human needs and the surrounding environment. Its two distinct masses, a testament to the diverse generations residing within, reflect the unique personalities and varying requirements of each family member. While separation provides privacy and individual spaces, a network of interconnected openings, courtyards, balconies, and expansive hallways fosters a strong sense of community. These spaces become the heart of the home, where stories are shared, laughter echoes, and memories are made. The house unfolds across 3 levels, a symphony of spaces designed to accommodate a vibrant lifestyle. The basement, a haven for entertainment, pulsates with life, while the upper floors offer a sanctuary of private havens and communal gathering spots. From the spacious bedrooms to the thoughtfully designed entertainment areas, every corner of Verdure House reflects the needs of its inhabitants, including the frequent visits of extended family. The architectural language of Verdure House is a captivating blend of styles. Industrial elements, such as concrete and exposed steel, coexist seamlessly with the warmth of traditional Japanese architecture and the tropical influence of lush greenery. Natural materials, particularly wood, dominate the palette, creating a sense of warmth and inviting residents to connect with nature. The wooden secondary skin, a striking feature on the exterior, not only adds visual interest but also serves a practical purpose, regulating sunlight and enhancing air circulation. Sustainability is woven into the very fabric of Verdure House. Skylights, strategically placed windows, and cross-ventilation ensure optimal airflow, while solar panels harness the power of the sun, minimizing the environmental impact. The expansive gardens, comprising 40% of the land area, contribute to the home's verdant character and provide a serene backdrop for daily life. Verdure House is more than just a dwelling, it's a testament to the power of thoughtful design to enhance human experience. It tells a story of family, of connection, and of harmonious coexistence with the natural world. It is a place where memories are made, stories are shared, and the rhythm of daily life unfolds amidst a symphony of spaces and materials.